Welcome back to the channel, you Kookz. We're the Van Kookz, and we help you, the ordinary kook, turn your van into the rig of your dreams. And today we are installing this Ford Transit high roof. See, it's way up there, ladder. We got it on Amazon, and we're gonna install it. It's quick and easy, and we're gonna put it up to the test, and we'll see if it's worth it for you guys. So stick tuned and like and subscribe and share and do all that cool stuff, and let's get into it. So I have the Amazon ladder here. I'm not sure what it's called. We'll just call it the Amazon ladder. And it's about 220 bucks. This one's for the high roof Transit. It looks like a very easy install. It's pretty nice. It clips to the top of the van, 2 little clips. And then all you need are 2 screws at the bottom. It comes with the screws, but we might rig it up a little bit different to make it more secure. But first step is put the foam on the feet so you don't scratch your van when you're lighting it up. And I'm going to put the foam here on the top, and then we're going to set it up and see what it looks like, and then we're going to drill it and we're going to be done. It's that easy. So the ladder comes with these little foam stickies. I put 2 on the base. Those ones are pretty easy, self-explanatory. These ones are a bit odd shaped, so we put them like this so we were protecting the van from the heel of this piece of metal here. And as you can see, it just kind of hangs on the roof. So we wanted to protect the metal there. And now we're going to hang it up. My lovely van assistant is going to show how it works.
So it just hooks on up there. And then it rests there and you bolt through to the other side.
And notice the Transit does curve here. So you're going to want it on a more flat area.
Now you can see this curve starts here.
So we might mess around with it, see where we want it, and then we're going to install. But it looks really nice. It's got this nice chrome finish. We were going to paint it, but I'm going to leave it.
Okay, so once we have like the ladder straight with this line here, I'm going to just take my pencil and poke some holes. I've already done it. Poke my holes and make a little mark so that we could do some pilot holes. All right, so I got my pencil mark and I got some small pilot holes drilled. And we're not using Unistrut. We're just going to use wood and drill into it.
All right, so we just threw a nice piece of hardwood back here to hold the ladder in place. We just put the 2 screws in. And now let's put it to the test.
I'm going to climb up it.
Yep.
Nice. It's very sturdy.
How's it look up there?
It looks wet. It just rained.
So there you have it. If you're looking to buy this ladder, you can see it's just been Kookz approved. And if you're looking to build a van, look no further than our website. We have an amazing build guide. And if it's not done yet, you have an opportunity to get a nice discount on that build guide. So keep an eye out, vankookz.com. And if this video helps you on making your decision on the ladder, give us a thumbs up. And if you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And we will see you guys in our next video. Thanks for watching.
And if you hated it, give us a thumbs up.
Yeah, mind ya. Thumbs up, buddy.